Tomorrow is a busy day at work and you need to find a great recipe for lunch. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we've got a great recipe for you with buffalo chicken bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken. Now let's prepare the hash browns. Time for the sauce. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Hot sauce has been around for thousands of years. The Aztecs, during 7000 BC, combined chili peppers with water. The first commercially sold hot sauce was in Massachusetts in 1807. And of course, buffalo chicken wings are made from hot sauce. That looks great right out of the oven. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's get a portion on a plate. Top with sliced green onions. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. That is really good. The spicy kick of the buffalo hot sauce with tender chicken, shredded cheese, crispy hash browns creates a mouthwatering experience that is sure to be one of your lunch favorites or any time of day. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one great lunch experience. Stay with us. Watch the next video.